7 more jurors have been seated for the Karen Reed murder trial. Reed is charged with killing John O'Keefe in Canton more than 2 years ago. Her defense team claims law enforcement planted evidence to frame her. Investigative reporter Ted Daniel has been following every development in the high-profile case. In and out of the courtroom, he joins us outside the courtroom right now with more. Ted?
Mark, we now have 11 jurors seated, just 5 more to go to get underway. So far, Karen Reed appears engaged and upbeat during this very tedious process. Another long day in the case against one of the most high-profile defendants in the nation. Karen Reed is the former Fidelity equity analyst from Mansfield, charged with killing her Boston police officer boyfriend, John O'Keefe. We're prohibited from showing you the jury selection process. Here's what happened. Roughly 90 candidates were screened. 58 say they've heard or talked about the case. 24 say they've already formed an opinion. And 12 admitted bias towards the prosecution or defense. The candidates are also being asked to fill out this survey. It has 29 questions. If the defendant doesn't testify, do you think she's probably guilty or hiding something? Have you ever been involved in a march, demonstration, showing support for law enforcement? The following question asks about demonstrations against law enforcement. Reed herself has been analyzing the completed questionnaires and marking them up with a highlighter.
I hadn't heard about it.
Tony Pardo from Weymouth works the night shift. He says he was more than happy to be one of the people sent home.
It's a big case, you know, and I figure I'd be here for a while. It's probably going to be a long trial.
And before the prospective jurors entered the courtroom this morning, defense attorney David Yannetti told the judge that he needed to raise a serious issue. The judge held a private meeting with Yannetti and the prosecution, and we didn't hear anything else about what the issue was. I asked Yannetti when he was leaving court this afternoon what it was. He declined to answer. We're on to day 3 of jury selection tomorrow. I'm Ted Daniel for your local station, reporting live in Dedham.